Very good afternoon to all of you. Dear student, in last lecture, we have seen how to multiply two matrices. Now, today we will discuss practical questions regarding subtraction, addition, multiplication, and how to utilize the concept of types of matrices into the practical question. So let us start. Practical question. Now, the first question is, if matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the order of this matrix is 3 by 3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Then find A plus A transpose and state the type of the obtained matrix. That means whatever the answer will get after finding A plus A transpose, then we'll conclude whether the obtained matrix is row matrix, column matrix, square matrix. That means you have to state the type of matrix. So let's start the first question. Okay, so in the first question, we have given matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, here we have to find A plus A transpose. Now, matrix A is already given, so we'll find first A transpose. Now, as per the definition of transpose matrix, what is meaning of transpose? Transpose is nothing but interchanging of row into the column or column into the row. So it is just transforming of row into the column or column into the row. So here we'll find A transpose. So how can we find A transpose? So we'll write first row into first column, second row into second column, and third row into third column. Okay, so this is what transpose of the matrix. Now what we have to find? A plus A transpose. So here we'll find A plus A transpose is equal to, first we'll write A. What is matrix A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Plus, because sign is plus. Then we'll write A transpose. What is A transpose? Now we'll write it 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Okay? So now finally we'll get the answer. Now how can we add these two matrices that we have seen in last lecture also? So first we'll add first element of matrix A and the first element of matrix A transpose. So what is A plus 1 plus 1? 2. Then second element plus second element. What is 2 plus 4? 6. Then we will add third element with third element. So 3 plus 7, 10. So this is the addition of first row. Again, we'll use now second row. The first element plus first element, 6. Second element plus second element, 10. Third element plus third element, 14. Now we'll use third row. So first element plus first element, 10. second element plus second element 14, and the third element plus third element, that is 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, so this is what answer of A plus A transpose. I hope now it is clear. Now again we have to give the answer. Which type of matrix is this? Okay, now you can see that here in first row there are 3 elements, 2, 6, 10. In first column again there are 3 elements, 2, 6, 10. They are same. In second row there are 3 elements, 6, 10, 14. In second column again there are 3 elements, 6, 10, 14. Both are same. In third row there are 3 elements, 10, 14, 18. And in third column again there are 3 elements, 10, 14, 18. So here if you transpose these matrix, if you find the transpose of this matrix, then again you will get the same result. So when you find the transpose of any matrix and again you will get the same result, then it is called symmetric matrix, that we have seen in the definition of symmetric matrix. So we can write here it is a symmetric matrix. Clear? Okay, so very simple sum. So please write down, then we'll discuss next question. Okay. Okay, so now after this we'll discuss next question. Question number 3 first. So what is question number 3? If A is 3, 4, 5 and B is 7, 8, 9, then find A into B. Okay, so here we have to multiply these two matrices. So let us try to understand how can we multiply these two matrices. Question number 3. So here A is given 3, 4, 5 and B is given 7, 8, 9. So this is what? Row matrix and this is column matrix. Now what we have to find? AB, that is A into B. So we'll multiply A 3, 4, 5 into B 7, 8, 9. Now in last lecture we have seen how to multiply two matrices. Okay, so how can you multiply? Always remember, whenever you want to multiply any two matrices, then you have to multiply row with column. Again, you have to multiply row with column. So we'll multiply first row with first column. Okay, so first element into first element 21 plus second element into second element 32 plus third element into third element 9 5 is 45. Now we'll add all these elements. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. So here we have only one answer 98. So no need to write in the square bracket because matrix format is used when we have more than one element. So 98 is the answer of A into B. Again, it is very simple question. Okay, so please write down. Okay, now we'll start question number 2. So first read this question carefully, then we'll start solution of this particular question. Okay, let us start the solution of question number 2. So what you have given in question number 2? So in question number 2 you have given A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, 1, 1 and 2. So we have given a matrix A. Now what we have to find? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i, and we have to prove that is equal to what? 0. So we have to prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equal to 0. Now here first what we have to find? A cube. What is the meaning of a cube? The meaning of a cube is a into a 3 times. What is the meaning of a square? A into a, that is called a square. Now in last lecture I have told you that in multiplication we cannot multiply more than 2 matrices at a time. So first we'll find a square, that is a into a, and after finding a into a, then you will get a square, and again we'll multiply a square into a, then finally we'll get a cube. So meaning of a square is nothing but a into a. That doesn't mean a square of 2, square of minus 1, square of 1. Okay, it is wrong impression. A square is a into a. Is it clear? Okay. So now let's start the solution. So first we'll find a square, that is a into a. So first we'll write matrix A, that is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 1 2 into, again multiply it by a, 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 1 and 2. Okay, now again we'll multiply row into column. Okay, so first we'll multiply first row into first column. Okay, so now first element into first element, 2 to the 4 plus second element into second element, minus minus plus 1 into 1 1 plus third element into third element, 1 into 1 1. Okay, so this is the multiplication of first row first column. Then we'll multiply first row with second column. Again first element into first element, minus 2 plus second element into second element, minus 2 plus third element into third element, 1. So this is the multiplication of first row second column. Then we'll multiply the same row with third column. Okay, so we'll write in third column first element into first element, 2 plus second element into second element, minus minus plus 1 plus third element into third element, 2. So this is what the multiplication of first row into with all column. Okay, after this we'll multiply second row with all column. Okay, again we'll do the same process. First element into first element, minus 2 plus second element into second element, minus 2 plus third element into third element, minus 1, because minus plus minus. Then second row second column, first element into first element, minus minus plus second element into second element, 2 to the 4 plus third element into third element, minus plus minus 1 into, again first element into first element, minus 1 plus second element into second element, minus 2 plus third element into third element, that is minus. So this is what the multiplication of second row with all column. Okay, after this we'll multiply third row with all column. So we'll write into the third row first element into first element, 2 plus second element into second element, minus 1 plus when you multiply 2 matrices, then in between you have to use my plus sign. Then third element into third element 2. When you change the column, then you have to change the brackets. Then between the bracket, no need to write plus sign. Okay. Again, second row, third row, second column. So first into first, minus 1, plus second into second, 2, plus third into third, 2. So this is what the multiplication of third row, second column. Then we'll multiply third row with third column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. So now the final answer is what? So that is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6. Minus 2 plus or minus, minus. So minus 2 minus 2, minus 4. And minus 4 plus 1, minus 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Here, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, minus 5. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. So this is the answer of a square. Okay. Then after we'll find a cube. So what is, how can I find a cube? So a cube is a into a into a. So we already found a into a. So again a into a is what? A square, and a square into a will be a cube. Okay. So now again we'll multiply this matrix a square 6 minus 3 5 minus 5 4 minus 5 3 3 4. This is a square into a. So what is a here? Yes, this is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 and 1 1 2. Okay. Again we'll multiply this matrix. First row into first column. 6 into 2, 12. Plus second into second. 3 into 1, 3. Plus 5 into 1, 5. Then first row, second column. First into first, minus 6. Plus second into second, plus minus minus. Again it is minus 6. And third into third element, that is 5. Now first into last column, third column. 6 into 1, 6 plus minus 3 into minus 1, 3 plus 5 into 2, 10. So this is the multiplication of first row with all column. Now we'll use second row with all column. So first into first, minus 10 plus second into second, 8 plus third into third, minus 5. Then second row, second column, I think, let me check. Okay, minus 5, right. Okay, first into first, minus 10. Second to second, it is 4 minus. Sorry, it is minus 4. And third into third, minus 4. Okay, second row, second column. First into first, plus 5. Second into second, 8. Plus third into third, minus 5. Now second row, third column. First into first, minus 5. Plus second into second, minus 4. Plus third into third, minus 10. Okay. Now we'll multiply all column by third row. Again, for third row, first column. First into first, 6. Second into second, minus 3. Plus third into third, 4. Third row, second column. First into first, minus 3. Second into second, 6. Plus third into third, 4. Now again multiply third row with third column. First into first, 3. Second into second, plus minus, minus 3. And third into third, that is 8. So finally, we'll get the answer of a cube here. So 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Then minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 5, 7 minus. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 10, 19. Then minus 10 minus 4 minus 5. All are minus, so we'll add all. 19 minus. Then 5 minus plus minus cancels. So answer is 8. Then minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 10 minus 19. Then 6 minus 3 3 and 3 plus 4 7. Minus 3 plus 6 3 and 3 plus 4 7. And 3 plus minus cancels, the answer will be 8. Okay? So this is very simple question. Okay, so please write it down. Then we'll solve this equation. Okay, so after getting the answer of a cube and a square, now we'll find a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i. Okay, and we'll check whether it is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so let's start. A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i. Okay, so now here first we have to write a cube. What is the answer of a cube? So it is 20 minus 7, 19 minus 19, 8 minus 19 and 7, 7, 8. Minus, then we'll use minus sign in between. Now we require 6 into a square. So we have already answer of a square. Just multiply this a square by 6. Then you will get 6 times a square. Okay. So now multiply this a square by 6. So we'll get here 6 into 6, 36 minus 18, 30 into 5, that is minus 30. Again, I'll multiply all by 6. So 6 into 4, 24. Then minus 30. Then 6, 3 is 18, 18 and 24. So this is what 6 times a square. Then we require what? 9 times A. So we'll write here 9A. So multiply this A matrix by 9. Okay. So multiply all by 9. So 18 minus 9, 9. 9 into 1, that is minus 9. 9 to the 18 minus 9. Then 9, 9, 18. Okay. Now, again we require minus 4i. So minus 4 into I. I means identical matrix. So here identical matrix is what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if you multiply this identical matrix by 4, then you will get 4 4 4 here, and all other elements are 0. So we will get 4 0 0 0 4 0 and 0 0 4 after multiplying this matrix by 4. Okay, now we'll add and subtract. So here we'll first use first element of each and every row. So this is 20. So 20, we'll write here 20 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4 bracket 4. Then in another bracket we'll use second element from all element matrix, minus 7 minus 18. So minus plus 18, then plus minus 9 and minus 0. Then we'll use third element. So 19 minus plus minus 30 plus 9 and minus 0. So this is what addition and subtraction of first row. Again we'll use for second and third row. Okay. So we'll write here now. First element of second row is what? Minus 19. So minus 19. Again minus plus 30 plus minus 9 and minus 0. We'll use now second element 8 minus 24 minus plus 18 plus and minus 4. Then we'll write third element minus 19 minus plus 30, third element of all matrix. Then plus minus 9 and minus 0. Similarly, we'll use third row. So here, first element is 7 minus first element is 18 plus 9 minus 0. Second element 7 minus 18 plus 9 minus 0. And the third element 8 minus 24 plus 18 minus 4. Okay, now we'll find final answer. So we'll add first 20 plus 18 38, 38 minus 36 2 and 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then 18 minus 9 9 and 9 minus 7 2. Then 19 plus 9 28, 28 minus 30 minus 2. Then 30 minus 19 11 minus 11 minus 9 is 2. Then 18 minus 8 26 minus 24, that is 2, and 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Then 30 minus 19 is 11 minus 9 is 2. Then 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. 9 minus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 minus 24 is 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So this is not equal to 0. So let us assume this not equal to 0. So hence we can say that a cube minus 6x square plus 9a minus 4i is not equal to 0. That we have to show. Okay. So again, this is very simple question. I hope now it is very clear to you all. So please write it down. So after this, now today I am giving you 4 to 5 example for a practice purpose. So please do practice at your home. And if you have any query, any doubt after solving this, you can draft the message in the Google Classroom. Okay, so now you have to solve question number 4, question number 5. Now see, in question number 4, first you have to find this bracket A into B, and after finding A into B, just transform row into column, that you will get transpose. Then you have to solve this question number 8, that is here you have to find A into B. Again you have to find B into A, that is first B and second A, and you have to prove that whether the answer is 0 or not. So here you will get definitely 0 answer. And again you have to solve question number 9, that is first you have to find A into B and then transpose of AB. Then find AB transpose, then find A transpose, and then multiply B transpose with A transpose. So you have to basically solve these 4 questions at home, and then we'll discuss now question number 6, question number 7, and question number 10 in the next lecture. Okay, clear everybody? So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be safe. Stay at home.